Right, today we have a BMW, I believe it's a 118, 2015, I believe. Yeah, BMW 1 Series, 118, 2-liter diesel, turbo. It's coming for a bit of a wreck job. It had some damage, as you can tell. This is bad, and this won't pass MOT. And let's get a bit of damage here in the front fender, front bumper. Lights dislocated. Slightly bent here, just slightly. And we have some replacement parts. I've got a new lens. Just the lens, because the light itself is good. So we've got a new lens which we'll try to put on, and we got a new bumper, which will take some time because it's empty. It doesn't have this, it doesn't have the grill, it doesn't have license plate holder. It's just got the cutouts for the lights and the cutouts for all the parts, all the grills, fog lights and everything else. I'm going to try to film a lot of it, most of it, ignore the license plate. I'm going to try to film a lot of it, see if I can get it good on film, and we'll see what comes of it. Let's hope we can get this jump done in a few hours. Let's get cracking. Right, so there's more screws here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Just on a light. There's one here and one here. 7, 8. Air duct. Yeah, lovely. Let's get to it.